In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share your Google site with others. While you're on your site, look for the icon that is Person Plus. You're going to add people to the site. When you click on that, you get the same sharing pop-up that comes with a typical Google Doc. You can add people directly, and you can share with the link. When I click on this, you're going to notice something that you don't normally see. Because this site is unpublished, the sharing options are a little bit different. This site is considered a draft, so if I want to share this link, the restricted link, only really for people who've been added, or I can set it to everyone in the school corporation, or I can set it to public, anyone with the link. Right. Speaking of publishing the site, this site right here is not available to anyone yet because I haven't published it. To publish your site, click on the blue Publish button. All right. So now that this site has been published, it has a link. If I go to share it again, all right, publish site, MSD of Boone Township, anyone in this group can find and open. Okay, maybe that's what you want. Otherwise, you can remove the link, make it public, or switch it back to restricted. And that is how you change the sharing settings on your Google site.